kids, today we are going to learn p sound. Let's proceed with the story. Paul likes to visit the city zoo near his home. His favorite animal there is a polar bear. The polar bear has a big paws for paddling in the pool, says zookeeper. It is Paul's birthday soon, and his mother asks if he would like a teddy bear as his present. Paul thinks about this and says that he would prefer a polar bear. When his birthday arrives, Paul's friend Peng, Pavlo, and Pat comes to his birthday party. They all play games and eat the party food, pineapple pizza and popcorn. When Paul's mother gives Paul his present, he unwraps the paper to find a perfect toy polar bear. After that, Paul's mother produces a big birthday cake with purple icing. She has put trick candles on the cake. Every time Paul blows out the candle, it lights up again. He tries to puff out the candles, puff, 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 but they keep relighting. Everyone laughs and claps and tries to puff out the candles, puff, 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 puff.
Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Words beginning with p sound. Parrot, pumpkin, panda, penguin, pizza, piano, pencil, pause, pig, popcorn, pineapple,
Thank you for watching.